In this video, you'll learn how to fix the file not found error in Google Drive when you're trying to upload a file. This is a frustrating issue, especially when you're sure the file is on your computer, but Drive just won't cooperate. We'll go through a simple set of checks and fixes you can try, one by one, to get your upload working again. First, start by making absolutely sure that the file still exists on your computer. It might sound obvious, but sometimes files get moved, renamed, or deleted without us realizing it. Open your File Explorer or Finder and navigate to the exact location where you're trying to upload the file from. If you're uploading from a recent files list in your browser or from a shortcut, ignore that and locate the actual file on your drive. Confirm that it's there, that you can open it, and that it's not stored on a disconnected external drive or a network location that's currently offline. If the file has been removed or is on a drive that's no longer connected, Google Drive simply won't be able to find it. Once you've confirmed the file is present, the next thing to try is moving it to another folder on your computer and then uploading it again. Create a simple folder on your desktop or in your documents, something like temp uploads, and drag the file into that folder. Then go back to Google Drive, click the New button, choose File Upload, and select the file from this new location. This helps in a couple of ways. It refreshes the file path and can bypass any permission or sync issues that might exist in the original directory, such as a synced folder that's not updating correctly. If moving the file doesn't fix it, the next step is to rename the file to remove any special characters. Google Drive sometimes has trouble with unusual symbols in file names, especially if they come from another operating system or a downloaded archive. Right-click the file on your computer, choose Rename, and give it a short, simple name. Stick to letters, numbers, dashes, and underscores. Avoid slashes, question marks, colons, emojis, and other symbols. After you've renamed the file, try the upload again in Google Drive. Now, if the error is still showing, restart the upload process in Google Drive completely. Cancel any ongoing or stuck uploads you see at the bottom right of the Drive window. If the upload seems frozen, you can also refresh the page. Then start a fresh upload, click New, select File Upload, and choose your file again. If you're using the desktop app, you can pause syncing, wait a few seconds, and then resume sync so that it restarts the process cleanly. Finally, make sure your browser is up to date if you're using the web version of Google Drive. An outdated browser can cause all sorts of odd behavior, including upload and file detection errors. Open your browser's settings, check for updates, and install any available update. After updating, close all browser windows, reopen your browser, sign back into Google Drive, and try the upload again. By walking through these steps, verifying the file, moving it, renaming it, restarting the upload, and updating your browser, you'll usually clear the file not found error and get your file safely into Google Drive.